Welcome to the historic Harwelden Mansion, a bed and breakfast and event venue located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, overlooking the Arkansas River. Enjoying the look and feel of luxurious bedding is one of the pleasures of fine travel. My name is Jezz. Today we're going to show you how you can enjoy the indulgent experience of our 5-star hotel with a method called triple sheeting. This method provides a similar feel to that of a duvet with its additional warmth and cleanliness, but a bit more modern and elegant. This is just one way for you to experience a taste of the mansion life in the comfort of your home. Without further ado, let's begin. The first sheet can be a fitted sheet, although 3 top sheets are preferred. The second sheet covers the entire mattress all the way up to the headboard. When you're looking to purchase linens, it's best to choose white ones and always go with the highest thread count possible. The sides simply hang off the edge for now. Next, we layer a comforter. We use down comforters, which are made from the light fluffy clusters that come from beneath the feathers of ducks and geese. Make sure to leave about 6 inches of space between it and the headboard. Next, the third sheet is layered. This one initially goes all the way up to the headboard, even with the second sheet, and then fold and smooth both sheets back about 6 inches. At the foot of the mattress, you'll need to stretch your arm across as much of the base as possible and briefly lift the mattress as you slide the bedding under it. Tuck the excess bedding under the mattress. Repeat this process on the other corner of the bed, again with the foot first, then the side. Stretch down and tuck. Next, you'll mirror the fold you did on the opposite side of the headboard. Take both sheets and bring them down 6 inches. The second fold includes the comforter. Take it back another 6 inches, make sure it's nice and crisp, then tuck it under the mattress. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the bed. Tuck away any excess bedding. Now it's time to put on the outer comforter. We dress just the lower half of the bed. Fold the comforter in half and stretch it out near the foot of the bed. When tucking the excess bedding, make sure to start on the side this time to make the folded material more even. Repeat on the other side of the bed. When dealing with pillows, more is more. Here in our Sycamore suite, we like each side to have 2 regular white pillows, a sham, and a small decorative pillow. Repeat that on the other side of the bed. 2 regular white pillows, a sham and a decorative pillow. And then we finish with a full-size bolster pillow. But really this can be arranged with any combination of pillows to your liking. You can also freshen your room up by using a new combination of colours for the sheets, coverlet or throw to give you a unique splash of colour. We have a variety of arrangements in our other suites. So there you have it, the triple sheeting method that we use here in our suites at the Harwelden Mansion. Check out our Mansion How-To playlist for more videos about how to experience a taste of the mansion life from the comfort of your own home.